The tire pressure monitoring system in your Subaru XV II monitors tire pressure using sensors in each wheel. The tire pressure warning light illuminates if pressure drops 25% below the recommended PSI, typically 32 to 35 PSI. Resetting the TPMS is necessary after tire rotations, replacements, pressure adjustments, or when the warning light appears. This helps the system relearn baseline pressures and prevent false alarms. Before you begin, ensure all tires are inflated to the recommended pressure. Check the sticker on your driver's side door or the owner's manual. Park your Subaru XV II on a level surface. This ensures the system learns the correct baseline tire pressures. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate the infotainment system. Press the menu button on the steering wheel controls. Then select Vehicle Settings or Information from the menu options. Look for and select TPMS or tire pressure within the menu options. Once you've located the TPMS menu, select the Reset or Initialize option. A confirmation prompt may appear on the screen. Confirm your selection to begin the reset process. Your Subaru XV II will now attempt to relearn the tire pressures. After initiating the reset, drive your Subaru XV II at a speed of 20 miles per hour or greater for approximately 10 to 20 minutes. This allows the TPMS sensors to communicate with the vehicle's ECU and relearn the new tire pressures. The warning light should extinguish during this process. If the tire pressure warning light persists after driving, double-check that all tires are still at the correct pressure. Double-check that all tires are still at the correct pressure. If the light remains on, there may be a sensor fault. An OBD2 scanner can be used to check for specific error codes, e.g. C1A23 indicates a sensor fault. If a sensor is faulty, professional replacement is recommended. Always use a reliable tire pressure gauge to ensure accurate inflation. Remember that TPMS sensors have a battery lifespan of approximately 5 to 7 years. Have your sensors checked by a professional every 50,000 miles. According to AAA, improper resets can lead to ignored warnings, so follow the steps carefully. TPMS technology is evolving towards smarter, integrated systems that work seamlessly with other vehicle technologies. Future Subaru models may feature over-the-air sensor updates, allowing wireless firmware improvements without visiting a dealership. These systems will integrate with EyeSight and Starlink, providing predictive maintenance alerts and enhanced safety features. Expect AI-driven TPMS that automatically adjusts for road conditions or predicts tire issues, potentially eliminating the need for manual resets by 2030. Stay updated on Subaru releases for the latest features and ensure your vehicle benefits from these advancements.